How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the video. And for today, we're installing some tire stickers or tire letters, whatever you want to call them. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know that I had these on my old tires. I decided to do my Instagram handle. And looking back, probably not the smartest thing that I've done. I definitely don't want to do that again. And it was kind of, I wouldn't say tacky, but yeah, I just didn't want to, I didn't feel comfortable driving around town with everyone knowing what my Instagram was. I didn't really like it. So now that I have all new tires on the car, I bought new stickers. All right, here's the new letters. It says Tommy Kyra. Now, if you don't know what that is or who that is, you guys can do a quick Google search, but if you've been following me for a while, you know I have quite a few Tommy Kyra parts now. Got a little collection going, and I do plan to buy more in the future. And I'm just kind of on that kick right now, I guess. I like buying that stuff now. So I'm gonna put these on my tires. It's gonna look, like this, on the tires going around. This is the wide font, something like that. My old ones I had, I think they were like a Speed Hunters type font. They were all like individual pieces. It was very tedious. Not that bad putting them on, but taking them off was a pain in the ass. So these will probably be a little easier. Now to install these, you can use acetone, or I think last time I used brake cleaner. You clean the sidewall of your tires, the area you're going to put the stickers. You clean off the back of the stickers, and then you just apply this little glue stuff they give you. And I did like 2 to 3 letters per time, because you want to do 2 or 3 of them, stick it on there, hold it for like 30-40 seconds, and then move on. And then at the end, you peel off this top part, and that's it. Very simple, very easy. They are kind of expensive. They're definitely cheaper the first time I bought them. They went up like 20 bucks. But these are the permanent ones, raised rubber, so they will last the whole life of your tire, basically. They do look good. They change the look of your car drastically. I love it. I know a lot of people hate them. A lot of people think it's kind of ricey, and it kind of, well, let's be honest, it kind of is, but it definitely makes you stand out, and it changes the looks. So now with my rear finally lowered, these will really tie it all together, especially when I get a few more things done, which we're gonna really change the look of this car in the next couple weeks. So let's get to the install. All right, guys, first side's complete. Looking pretty good. I really like that I went with the wide font. Now, I don't know how it looks on camera. It might look kind of like white and then kind of not white. It's because once you take off the main plastic, there's still another plastic protective covering on these that you could rip off right when you install them. Like on this one, it came off, but on the others, it still stayed on. It comes off naturally. I'll probably just leave it and just let it come off on its own. That's just an extra protectant, keep them whiter longer. But yeah, we'll look at the other side for comparison. And then, bam. Yeah, I love that. That looks clean.
Silhouette, dark figure on it.
done. God, it looks so good. Yeah, I'm happy I did this. Damn. Now once I lower that rear just a tad more, oh God, I can't wait. I'll probably be doing that on Monday because I have this scheduled to get an alignment on Wednesday. So I'll drop that rear about 1/2 inch and she'll be perfect. God, I love how it just pops, you know, because of the blue wheels. Man. Yep, well, hope you guys enjoyed that quick install video. I do recommend you guys really clean your tires. I did about 3 to 4 passes on mine with the acetone, and I really could have and probably should have done more because dirt, you know, was, or whatever was still coming off, but I just sent it anyways. But yeah, definitely make sure to clean those really well, and then you want to wipe off the back of the stickers as well 1 or 2 times. And that's like per, you guys can read the instructions that come in the package, and you know, it'll say also excuse the dirty car. I will be washing it, don't worry. But yeah, hope you guys liked that video. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.